Today we're going to talk about science tools. So we have an eyedropper, hand lens, chart, magnet, globe, goggles, notebook, clipboard, measuring cup, microscope, thermometer, and telescope. These are all tools that scientists use. These are tools that you will use when you do science. A dropper is a little, usually glass or a plastic tube that has a little rubber top, and you squeeze it to let the air out, and then when you let go, the air brings up whatever liquid you want to work with. We've worked with our magnifying glasses a few times. Charts tell us how many or how much of something. It gives us a visual to see what we are working with. Magnets. Then we have over here a globe, which is a representation of our Earth. We talked about that. Goggles protect our eyes. Notebook. Good scientists take notes. They make observations. Clipboard. We have clipboards. This way we don't have to sit at a desk while we work. We can use our clipboards and walk around. A measuring cup is like a regular cup, but this has little dashes on it that tells you how much liquid's inside. A microscope, we've talked about that before. A thermometer tells how hot or cold something is. It can be a room, it could be a liquid, you could use it when you cook. And a telescope magnifies stars and other celestial or planets. So the worksheet that we're going to work on says tools. And so we have two different circles. And notice that the circles don't touch. There's nothing that's going to be in common or in both parts. It's going to be one or the other. There's not going to be a part in the middle where they are both, the thing goes for both. It's a tool or it's a thing to investigate. So in this circle, we're going to cut out the tools and put them there. And here we're going to put the things we can investigate. So you are going to need your scissors and your glue. So I'm going to cut right on that the first dotted line. So I'm not cutting anything else off of the big piece of paper. I'm only going to be looking at this piece of paper. So again, when I cut, keep my fingers away from the scissors. So the first thing that I see is a magnifying glass. Now, do we use that? Is that a tool, or can we investigate it? Not with it, but it. Should we look at the magnifying glass with another magnifying glass? No, it's a tool. We use a magnifying glass to investigate objects like cats and dogs and shells and things like that. So I'm going to take my magnifying glass, I'm going to put some glue in the back, and then I'm going to glue it into the tools. The next one, we have a dog. Is a dog a tool or something we can investigate? Something we can investigate. So I'm going to put it right on with something to investigate. You could use the magnifying glass to look at the dog's fur. You could use a scale to see how heavy he is. You could use a thermometer if he was sick. You could use a ruler to see how long he is. Okay, I want you to do the other 4 on your own, and then we will compare. We will see if we have the same kind of answers. Okay, if you are not done, please pause the video. Here are the answers. So a magnifying glass, a scale, and a ruler are all tools. A shell, a butterfly, and a dog are things we use those tools to investigate. So these are things we can investigate. These are tools. Good job.